Ito na. Talaga. Ang dikit ang laban. Santa Rosa pasa sa gitna. Intercepted with a steal. And now Briol to Sampaga. Kung nag-ikot ka lang dyan. Briol to Sampaga. To Bongge. And so on the side. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. 4 to shoot. 4 to shoot. 3, 2, 1. That's a 3 points. That's a good ball. Tumama po sa ring. Yes, on number 29, Santa Rosa. Intercepted with a steal. That's a good ball. Santa Rosa to side. Metra on the outside. Not good. Battle for rebound. Metra sa ilalim. What a nice intercept. And now Bongge has by Metra Brothers. Quezon to Sampaga. On the side. Antonio. And now on largo to Santa Rosa. And now Santa Rosa fights on the downside. 3 points. And now Antonio. And sa cross pass, Bongge takes a drive, stirs a foul. Foul committed on jersey number 9, Largo. Ooh, she fouled. 2 shots, number 28, Bongge. Grabe nigos ni Largo. May bonus ka din buwas. O sa Lunes, kaya wala gali buwas, Domingo. Liyok. Liyok, buwas, Domingo gali. So, tatahong. Ada mga tindera. Amin na viewers, amin na fans. Kargador mga player. Diba? Stigol. Namin na kombinasyon. Yun, isi yung pride.
Kamay lapatin lang.
Santa Rosa to center, Labaw. That's not good. Rebound by Sampuga. That's a foul. All 7-7, Labaw. Warning for foul now. Yes, on Antonio. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It's a 3 points. Rajan, baru buntang ka na sa begi dyan. Santa Rosa, not good. Sampaga. Iyay. Advance play. Foul. Foul by number 30, Sampaga. Labaw out. Dahulin. Largo out. Bonus moves out. Adiin. Santa Rosa. Yes, the first semi. Yes, intercepted. 5 minutes and 35. Briol. Cross pass to Sampaga. Fires again. Not good. Battle for rebound. Briol. Hesitating. Stop and fires. Yes, a good ball. Santa Rosa.
Good, warang dito.
It's a custom. It's on number 4, Shelo. Shelo, hung time, not good. Rebound by Metra to Santa Rosa. It's not good. Bongge lost the ball. 5 minutes flat at the last quarter time per minute. Para pinambalak ang timeout. Santa Rosa, Bongge. Shot clock down to 10. Bonus sa second shot natin. Rebound taken by Antonio. There's a foul on Jones. Hawi. Kitang-kita. Okay, warning. One technical or unsportsmanlike behavior. Substitution, Antonio out, Panday in. Iso, kinilig ka dito sa Ubal. Watanhalyo play! 4 minutes and 35. Metra to jersey number 2. Ade on Santa Rosa to Bohol. Para sa 2. And sa lock 2. 60-67. 4 minutes and 20. Ate under Briol. 69-69 point lead in favor of team SP and SK. Combination. Santa Rosa waiting time. Shot clock at 15. And there's a whistle foul. Down the floor, number 11. Blocking foul. Preyon. There's no Santa Rosa. Bounding the ball.
60.
Tumbuhon. Shot clock down to 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. It's a good ball. Shallow. Adas play to Sampaga with a steal. 3 minutes and 50. Ade pulls the trigger. Easy down. Sampaga. It's an intercept again. Santa Rosa hang time. Foul. Foul committed in jersey number 27. Timeout team SBIC SKIB. Time remaining 3-3-3. 3 minutos 33 segundos. A score of 69-6. Pabala yung whistle. Sorry guys. Pass not good. Rebound taken by Briol. Took up. As a up taken ball to Antonio. As on look up again to Briol. Briol. Kick out pass, Sampaga, wide 3, bang! 3 points.
Sampaga 3 points.
As now on Adi against Sampaga to Metra. And a kick out pass to brother. Metra goes to 3-minute clock. Last 3 minutes going remaining. That's a good ball. What a nice pass, Santa Rosa. 66-72, 6-point lead is also Sampaga on Antonio. Kaya sa cross pass si Briol. Briol, stop and pass, very go. And a ball available. And a pass to Santa Rosa, number 29. Santa Rosa looking for the semi. Signaling play. And a shot knocked down at 15. And an inside pass. Metra kick out pass. Bohol. Fires at 2 points. 2 minutes and 15. Rosa moves does the ball. Santa Rosa. And the 2. Sunuway ka ba? Huwag ka lang malikon. Lost 2 minutes. And there's a whistle, that's a foul. Foul on jersey number 5. Bohol. 2, she fouled. Warning for foul on Mr. Bohol. 4th personal foul. And the time remaining 1 minute and 57% of his basket. Sagato. Jumpers get ready. 75-70 ang score. Lamang yapon ng 75. Okay, it's not good. Rebound taken by Ukap. It's a good ball. And now Briol to Antonio from the outside. 3 points. 1 minute and 48 at the last quarter time remaining. And a score of 78-70. 8-point lead in favor of team SBIC. Santa Rosa, pinila ang bola, wala. Okay, it's a last touch or out of bounds. And it's a turnover. 1 minute 35. And a pass to Sampaga. Sampaga, may lumobs. Paso, pop shot clock 15. That's not good again. Rebound by jersey number 2, intercepted and a steal. And now Okap taking the ball. Okap at the end of Shela to Priol. Timeout Team Unesia. Okay, both teams may tig-isa na lang kayong timeout. And now inbounding on Santa Rosa. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes, the basket. 1 minute, last 1 minute.
Pick it to.
Antonio. Take a pass. And stepping on the line. 49 seconds. 49 seconds. 49 seconds.
Mahabulan ano.
Yes, on the bound to Santa Rosa. Down at 45 seconds. Shot clock 18. At the side, ball fake. Then lever says up. Basket is good. 39 seconds.
Tulon ay duwag na.
Same ball pa rin tayo. 34 seconds.
Nasisilat pa siguro ni SKIB.
Referee's ball. Proper inbound. And now Shelo. And intercepted. 30 seconds. Good ball. 25 seconds. It's a block.
Pinakatanay ko niya.
23 segundos.
Maganda, piki na matapos na guys. Ikas na lang.
23 segundos.
80-74.
74. Anim na kalamangan.
74. Umabulan na nung una ka 4 points na.
That's a good ball. 20 seconds. 18 seconds. No more shot clock. 15. 12 seconds. 10. 9. 8. 7 seconds.
Wala ka ananan ni
6,
SKIB.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, congratulations to the winner. Team SBIC combination of Team SKIB. And to the losers, better luck next time.